Me and my girlfriend wanted to show you a project that we're working on. We're doing a couple edits for a great family. We're going to choose one of our favorite ones and make them smile a little bit more. This was one of our favorite captures, but we just didn't get their smile quite enough. So we're just going to open this up in Photoshop. Edit a copy with Lightroom adjustments.
Hey, just so you know, this is my favorite photo.
Is it really?
You just said that we were doing one of our favorites, and this one's my favorite.
Is it really?
Yeah, you're so good at figuring that out without even talking to me. I don't know how you figured that out.
Okay, well, this is meant to be a tutorial, but my girlfriend wanted to sit in on this. This is my girlfriend, Brett.
And I don't know anything about Photoshop.
She knows it starts with a P and ends with a P.
I also know that this is like a house or something, right? We like lighthouses?
There's a lighthouse clear in the back, but we didn't get it in the picture because we didn't know how.
Yeah, because it's not an ocean.
So what I basically did here is let's just start. Let's start all the way over. We're going to start all the way over really quick because I forgot to tell you the tutorial aspect.
Should have just started there.
I opened the project, but we want to duplicate the layer with Command J.
For Jesus Christ.
Command Jesus creates a new layer because Jesus easily creates new things.
Yeah, in 7 days or less.
And then what we're going to do is I'm going to right click. Actually, that's completely wrong in every way. I'm already in Photoshop.
Oh.
So I'm in Photoshop. I want to use the liquefy tool.
Oh, really?
So we're just going to click liquefy.
I'm going to liquefy that?
It's an incredible tool. Spelled with an L, ends with a Y. See here, and it should detect all our faces. See 1, 2, 3. Ooh, very good. Like I said, we wanted to increase their smiles a little bit. So let's see. I can just go down right here to smile. It's super easy.
Ooh.
We're getting the little girl's face right here. But it didn't get her smile quite how we wanted it.
We want a genuine smile.
We want a more genuine smile.
We want a very sweet, childlike smile.
Let's see what happens if we... Yeah, we're going to need to bring up that upper lip. And if you widen the mouth, it's really a classic kind of a smile that I like to put on a lot of people. See, that actually looks pretty realistic. It's not funny to laugh at a child.
Right, the dreams come true.
The kid doesn't really matter. It's not a huge important thing. I'm just going to take it out afterwards anyways.
Yeah, we're just going to blur.
It's really about these two because they're getting married.
Yeah, you should liquefy the child's face into like a liquid goop.
Yeah, just to turn it into a big bag of crap. But anyways, this is serious. This is my girlfriend. She thinks this is funny to make fun of kids. But all right, face number 2. Quick smile.
No,
that's a realistic smile. Honestly, though, like in all seriousness, this isn't funny at all. God. But again, I'm gonna bring in the upper lip. And if you really increase the width of the smile, it just makes it a lot more full. And into this third face, super easy. Once again. I always thought his head was too small. Man should always have a bigger head because their brains are huge.
Mm-hmm.
So you can easily bring his forehead up like that. Big head, very smart guy.
You can really accentuate receding hairlines this way.
Yeah, and it's a fascinating tool.
Mm-hmm.
Well, what did we want? We wanted width, just to make the smile a little more full. See, so you can make it really easily. If you didn't get that shot just right and they didn't smile.
They're very upset before.
Yeah, they weren't happy. They weren't liking how we were acting. But doesn't matter in Photoshop. Incredible tool. Said okay to save it.
Well, I remember you telling them not to smile at all, on purpose.
Oh, yeah.
Because you were going to put in real.
Because I was going to handle that afterwards.
Because editing fixes everything.
Right. I was like, I've been having fun practicing with Photoshop, so please don't smile. It's pretty realistic. But anyways, thanks guys. That was a quick tutorial. Out to all my fans out there. I got a lot of really cool merch ready to blast up.
Cold Soul.
Big Cold Soul merchandise in Jackson Hole, Michigan. Anyways, sorry, someone opened that door behind us.
Our merch costs more because it's haunted.
Yeah, our merch costs a ton because it's like just took a lot out of us to make. We were very depressed usually.
We had to do rituals like for 40 hours straight just to make sure that they were really haunted.
Really?
Yeah, you don't remember doing that? We were like charging it under the sunlight and the moonlight and burying it in the dirt in a box.
Like solar charge.
Remember when we picked up that little box from the antique store and buried all of our clothes in it so that it would become haunted?
I didn't do that.
Well, and I also wanted it to give like that antique smell.